Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 6, that is triangle and its properties. In this part, first of all, I will give you introduction of this chapter. In this chapter, what is given here. After that, we will start exercises. Triangle and its properties, chapter name. Means first of all, I will tell you about triangle. Clear? Triangle I will tell you. What is triangle? ABC. It is a triangle. Triangle means a triangle is a simple closed figure. A triangle is a simple closed figure having three sides: first, second, and third. Clear? And three angles. See? Okay? A triangle is a simple closed figure having three sides: first, second, third, three angle also, first, second, third, and three vertices A, B, C. Means sides AB, BC, CA. Vertices A, B, C. Clear? Then three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Means you can say about the triangle. A triangle is a simple closed figure having three sides: AB, BC, CA, three vertices A, B, C, three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Clear? Note down this. After that, types of triangles. Types of triangle, there is two types of the triangle. On the basis of side, on the basis of angle. Clear? First of all, we will discuss about types of angle, types of triangles on the basis of sides. Okay? Types of triangle on the basis of sides. Clear? First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay? So equilateral triangle means triangle P, Q. Equilateral means all sides are equal. If in any triangle all the three sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. Means we can write, if all the three sides are three sides of triangle are equal is called and equilateral triangle. Okay? Equilateral triangle means if all the three sides of triangle are equal, is called an equilateral triangle. Means in triangle PQR, PQ equal to QR equal to RP. All the three sides are equal. It is a equilateral triangle. Note down. Second one, isosceles. Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means only two sides are equal. If in any triangle only two sides are equal, that is a isosceles triangle. Means if any two sides of a triangle are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Example, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Both lines are equal. Means it is isosceles. Note down. Third one, scalene. Scalene triangle. Clear? Scalene triangle means if in any triangle there is no equal side, means if all the sides of triangle are unequal. Clear? Unequal is called a scalene triangle. Means example, in triangle XYZ, in triangle XYZ, XY not equal to YZ not equal to ZX. All sides are unequal. That is scalene triangle. Clear? I told you equilateral triangle. I told you isosceles triangle. I told you scalene. Note down this. It is on the basis of sides. Second is types of triangles. Types of triangles on the basis of angle. Clear? Types of triangle on the basis of angle. First angle, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle. If any triangle are there, clear? ABC. Acute angle triangle means less than 90 degree. Means each angle less than 90 degree. Each angle less than 90 degree. Means 45, 49, 75. But 91, 92 if you are taking, that is wrong. Each angle less than 90 degree. Angle should be less than 90 degree. Means what you can write? If all the three angles, if all the three angle, if all the three angles of a triangle, if all the three angles of a triangle are acute, means acute means less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, it is called an acute angle triangle. Clear to you? If all the three angles of a triangle are acute, acute means less than 90 degree, it is called an acute angle triangle. Clear? It is an acute angle triangle. In this triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Clear? Note down. Second one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle should be 90 degree. Means angle Q equal to 90 degree. Means we can write, if one angle of a triangle, if one angle of a triangle, if one angle of a triangle is a right angle, means 90 degree. 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Clear? Right angle triangle. If one angle of triangle is right angle triangle, clear? It is called a right angle triangle. Front of 90 degree side will be hypotenuse. This line is hypotenuse. Clear? Note down. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. Acute means less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle means if one angle of triangle is 90 degree, that is right angle. But in obtuse angle, X, Y, Z means angle Y greater than 90 degree. Means here we can write, if one angle of triangle, is obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Clear? This angle is greater than 90 degree. Clear? That's why it is obtuse angle triangle. Means in obtuse angle triangle means one angle of triangle is obtuse greater than 90 degree. It is called an obtuse. Next things, medians of triangle. Medians of triangle. Medians of triangle. A, B, C, D. Clear? AD is the median. Clear? ABC is a triangle. Median means the line segment. Clear? The line segment joining a vertex. Vertex means point A. Vertex of a triangle. To the midpoint. Of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. Clear? Again, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Vertex से opposite side is BC. On BC, D point we have taken. Clear? Midpoint of the opposite side is called the median of the triangle. Means it is the median of the triangle. AD, D point is divided in two parts on BC line. Clear? Note down. So AD is the median. AD is in a triangle 3 median you can make. Means from B also you can make one more median, and from C vertex B opposite side AC. Clear? So whatever rule you have follow from A vertex you can follow from B, and from C also. Means 3. A triangle has 3 medians. Clear? Note down this. Altitudes of triangle. Clear? One triangle we have taken. Triangle X, Y, Z. Clear? So altitude of triangle means the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means from X on YZ we have taken one perpendicular line. Clear? The perpendicular line segment from where? From X. Means what is X? Point X you will not write. From a vertex. X is a vertex. From vertex of a triangle. From vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called an altitude of triangle. Altitude of triangle. In a triangle, 3 altitude you can make also. Like a median, a triangle has 3 altitudes. Once again I am telling you, the perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Opposite side means vertex x opposite side is yz. Clear? And altitude of triangles. Clear? Note down. One more thing, Pythagoras property. Pythagoras theorem is there. Pythagoras property. This property only for right angle triangle. Clear? This property only for right angle triangle. A, B, C. It is a 90-degree angle. Clear? It is a hypotenuse. It is a base. And it is a perpendicular. Clear? Now, what you will write? In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of, equal to the sum of the square of the other side, square of the other two sides. Means AC square equal to, means like this, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Means suppose that in this figure we have taken ABC, someone have given to PQR XYZ, so no problem is there. Hypotenuse is, it is the front of 90-degree angle. Front of 90-degree angle side is, that is a hypotenuse. Means here is AC square. Perpendicular means AB square. And base means BC square. Clear? It was the introduction of this chapter. Okay, student, please see, listen carefully. Okay, thank you.